Hello, what's up, everybody? Today we're talking about a website called WindFall. Um, if you guys are wondering what I've been doing, I've been working and stuff, so that's been taking up a lot of my time. But I'm still gonna make videos in here and there for you. So if you guys want to go and see those videos, go ahead and subscribe. Today we're just gonna talk about one of the things that's their own offer wall that I just seen on this one. I don't know if it's on any other websites, but it's that try out EarlyAdopterMedia. So what you do is you go in and press there. Takes you to this. It says start learning and earned. So what they do is it's kind of like the Swagbucks and Crave. If you ever use Swagbucks, they have the same type of thing, but a little bit different. So a website opens up. The Swagbucks and Crave could be fully passive as well too. So what I usually do is I just move that away just a little bit. But you can see, you look around in the article and then you press this button to go to the next one. Next window opens up to a new link. You do this 5 times and you get 50 chips. Now there is a limiter of the amount that you can earn. From what it seems like, it's random with the it stops you from earning, and then you wait for a bit and then you re-earn again. One of the things that you can't see at the bottom is I have a Chrome extension that pays me as well too. Really, all you do is you click that button, it opens up a new one, and then there'll be a thing that says return to the WindFall, and a link will be down below in the description to join. This is just a quick video on this this website, this offer. So as you can see, you just click, it puts you as discover more. You can go in and click a different playlist. You can click here and click here. Supposedly, if you click around more, you get more, not points, you get more offers the next day to complete. Haven't really tested to see if that's true, but if you see here, it tells me, hey, look at this. So it's very, very easy with that because it gives you 50 points each time. It is very, very easy to achieve this goal here that they always have. Always collect your visit ones as well too. They don't really have those. The answer the quiz. If you get it wrong, you get 5 points. If you get it right, you get 15. If we go over here in profile, you can see here that we have the 50 points here for this time here. I just really wanted to talk about this offer. You can go back to there and you can click it again. There's things, of course, that we can't really talk about. There's ways that if you know how to, you could probably automate this. But I don't know for sure if they really pay. Real quick, we'll check out the... I know that they used to pay. Right now, I'm not for sure. But if we go over here, it is 100,000 chips to get $10. So that means every 10,000 chips is $1. That means I have about $6.27. So a lot higher than some of the other websites out there, but I just wanted to do a quick video on there. I will do a payment proof video once I hit the 100,000 chips, cash it out, and then I'll see if I get it in that gift card. So I just would like to say peace out. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like down below. If you didn't, you can click that dislike. And if you also want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well too. And peace out.